Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to buy shares in Zimbabwe, and we are going to start with the ZSE. ZSE basically stands for Zimbabwe Stock Exchange, and this is where companies sell their shares using the local currency ZWG. So as you can see, I'm on the website right now, and it has a various number of options. When you start, it will obviously show you the portfolio, your wallet, your waiting orders, transaction history as well, etc, all that information there. When we go down, you'll see a section called market snapshot. This is basically where every company is listed, and each and every single day at the end of the market, when the market closes, it will show the closing price for that company, the opening price that it had, whether it made a change, it made a positive change or a negative change, or it remained constant. So this is something that can assist you or help you to see the company's performance each and every single day. So it changes every time when the market closes, it then updates, right? Then when you go down, this is one of the features that I like on the ZSE platform, where you see the top gainers, you also see top losers and the cap indices. So top gainers, it will basically show the companies which have gained, the share prices which have gained on during that day. This automatically changes every single day and every single moment. So whenever a change happens on a share price, it then automatically highlights, and this can also assist to just show you which companies are gaining on that particular day. So I'll show you another option. There's the buy order. The buy order, basically, this is where you can buy your shares. So you can select your counter, you can select the quantity, the bid price as well. You can input that if you want to put a lower price as opposed to the one which they're selling currently. Basically, you can buy shares, you can select your counter, you can select which companies you want on that list. These are the companies which sell shares using ZWG, and they're on the ZSE. Then you can also select the quantity. You can select whether you want a day order. There's a various number of options as well. You can select ETFs, etc. This website is quite good for starters. Now let's move on to the Victoria Falls Securities Exchange, which is basically the USD equivalent of the ZSE. So on the Victoria Falls Securities Exchange, you will see companies that sell their shares using US dollar or foreign currency, basically, right? So basically, you can see the website is the same. It kind of has the same feel to it, the same design as well. You can see also that market snapshot exactly as it was in the ZSE website. So pretty much, I think these are the same developers here. You can see the companies there, everything is there. You can go to your wallet. You can actually top up your wallet using Inbox. So that's a pretty cool feature as well. And pretty much has the same feel to it. You can put your bank account there, and when you withdraw, it will just send to your bank account as well, just as with ZSE and with the other platforms that we are going to discuss. Then you can also add your buy order. Same thing, you can choose your counter, choose your volume, the price range, etc. You can only select day order, so you can only buy if the shares are available before the market closes. You get them. If the shares are not available, that money will be returned back to you, and that order will be cancelled. Now let's move on to CTrade. Now, CTrade is an application which was developed by a company called Escrow Systems, and it's available in Zimbabwe. The obvious advantage of CTrade is you can trade for both ZIG and USD on that platform. You can see a list of companies there on equities. Those are the ones which are on ZSE or which are using ZWG. You can go to your recent orders, and it will show you all the recent orders that you would have done or like throughout your history on CTrade. You can go on VFEX, which will show you the USD companies or companies listed on the Victoria Falls Securities Exchange, and it will show you basically the same companies, those same companies. You can see the ask volume and bid volume, which you can also see on CTrade as well. So there are quite a number of options as well. You can make a deposit there. You can use Visa, PayNow, international cards, EcoCash, Telecash, which is something that maybe will assist you, but you can also get those features in ZSE and VFEX websites by using Inbox and Switch. You can withdraw your money, you can view transactions, you can convert your money from Forex balance to ZWG balance. However, this uses the Interbank rate, right? So this doesn't have the day order options only. You can also have goods to cancelled, which means they wait until you cancel that order so that they can return. So if you make an order to say I want to buy shares for a certain company, but there is no supply for those shares, they'll wait until you cancel that order yourself. Then there's goods to date, where you select a specific date. You can select a broker for that specific order you want, which is pretty cool, I guess. So you don't necessarily have to have one broker all the time. You use one broker all the time for any orders. You can select or differentiate depending on the order you want to make. You can select a quantity. I'll just simulate something here where you are buying shares for a company. Let's say for OK, you are buying one. However, the minimum is obviously 2 ZIG. So when you just buy one like this, it won't happen. But if you buy more than 2 ZIG, then it will process that order and it will just go like that. So this is basically the website for CTrade. And CTrade has a bit of flexibility to it, because obviously you can trade for both currencies, ZWG, and you can also trade for US dollar. But however, you can find some very interesting features on ZSE, especially because on ZSE you can find the top gainers, top losers for that specific day. It actually changes automatically as the markets are open. And you can also see that on VFEX. On VFEX, unfortunately, there's no option for that, but it's something that maybe they can add in the future. And these websites are maintained by the regulators. These are the 3 main platforms that you can use: ZSE Direct, VFEX Direct, or CTrade. And you can start your journey into buying shares in Zimbabwe. Thank you.